In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stylish and trendy video using CapCut, a fantastic tool for editing both photos and video clips. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this tutorial will help you enhance your media with a few creative touches. So let's dive in and explore how to transform your footage into something truly eye-catching. To start, you will want to import your photos or video clips into CapCut. This is your canvas, so feel free to gather all your favorite moments that you'd like to include in your project. Open the app and you'll see the option to import your media. Simply select your chosen files and they'll be ready to edit. It's always a good idea to take a quick look through the clips once they're imported to make sure everything is in order. Next, it's time to give your project that unique flair by applying some filters. CapCut offers a range of options like dust, blur, film grain, and retro filters. These can dramatically change the mood and feel of your video. Simply navigate to the filter section, try out each one, and see which complements your visuals best. Don't hesitate to experiment. Sometimes the most unexpected combination can lead to stellar results. Now let's add some trendy text elements. This step really allows your creativity to shine. Opt for pastel colors and handwriting fonts to keep your captions fresh and modern. CapCut offers a variety of fonts and color palettes, so you can mix and match until you find what suits your style. Text can be a powerful tool to convey emotions or important messages in your video, so take your time crafting it. Moving on, we'll synchronize your clips with music using BeatSync. This feature is fantastic for making your video feel more dynamic and engaging. Choose a track that complements the energy of your visuals. Then, adjust the transition between your clips to match the beat of the music. This will help ensure a smooth flow throughout the video, creating a captivating viewing experience. Finally, let's finish off with some overlays. Adding a glow or VHS overlay can give your project that extra aesthetic touch. Overlays can add depth and texture, transforming your video into something truly remarkable. Browse through the overlay options in CapCut. Apply what catches your eye, and don't forget to preview your video as you go to ensure everything feels just right. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've transformed your media into a trendy, eye-catching video full of style and personality. Let your creativity guide you as you experiment with different combinations. Remember, the key is to have fun while creating something beautiful. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what amazing projects you come up with using CapCut.